I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is snowing. It's so beautiful. You can see it on my sweater. I'm heading into LA Fitness right now to get ripped. You know how it is. And to remind you to clean your carpets annually. Once or twice a year is perfect. So if you haven't cleaned your carpets in a long time, the time is now. Call the office and we'll get you scheduled. Have a great day. I'm gonna go in the gym and work out. It's a pretty nice gym, LA Fitness, in Vancouver, Washington. Remember, when it comes to carpet and upholstery cleaning, fresh start. Be safe out there. Tell a friend.